So basically what I did, I actually used I only use distilled water in the steamer, and I actually have it almost at the maximum. So I actually put the water in there, and I take the top off here, and this is how I put the water in. So I put the water in there. This water that has already, I've guess you could say I've heated it up and it's cool now. So I put a little bit more in there, and then it goes down. I put the top on, and this is a Huetiful Hair Steamer, and actually it's a Huetiful Hair Steamer. I have had this steamer for some years now, and I'm gonna turn it on. So it takes about maybe 2 or 3 minutes to get it ready. So what I do, I will show you. You can kind of hear it a little bit. So I'll show you when it's on, and so I'll come back after it comes on. Don't I look cute? So I have to actually, this is a Huetiful Hair kind of, it actually protects when when the steamer's on, and it protects like when the steam and the steam and the moisture comes, so it doesn't come on your face. So it's Velcro, and I just put that on. And so now I'm just waiting for the steamer to start, and you'll start seeing like the actual steam and everything. So as soon as that comes on, we'll be ready. I don't know if you can see that, but can you start seeing the steam come up? So you can kind of start seeing the steam come up. So that means it's time for me to get underneath the dryer, or steamer rather. So I am under the steamer, and this is, as I said before, it's a Huetiful steamer. Sometimes with the humidity and the moisture, I will have to like look and see if I have to wipe down the sides or anything. True story, I had to send the steamer back and get another steamer and get a replacement of the steamer, because a part on here had melted or something like that. So, but I've been using this steamer ever since, and sometimes I mean, I've had it for about 3 or 4 years, so sometimes it may leak a little, so I may have to wipe it down or something like that. I know eventually I'm gonna have to get a new one, but it's serving its purpose. So, and it also has another detachment. It has a detachment here if you want to use it for a facial steamer. So it's a facial steamer detachment as well. So that's an added bonus too. Huetiful Steamer does not make steamers anymore. They don't make steamers anymore. So I know that if I was on the lookout for another I know I'd have to look at another steamer to purchase. But so far, this steamer has been working really good. Sometimes a drip will come down or something just for the moisture or whatever, but I'll just wipe it down. I didn't really tell you how like I put it together or anything, because they don't make the steamer anymore. They may have the steamer on eBay, I'm not sure, but they don't make the steamer anymore. So I really didn't want to show you something that they really don't make anymore. So I did some research, and there are some steamers out there. And this steamer I think I got this steamer on sale. I don't know if you all watch Tracy, but she had a coupon code for the Huetiful steamer, and I was able to get this steamer on sale. And that's how long I've had this steamer. And since I have had this steamer, I don't really hear too many YouTube creators talking about steaming anymore, but it has been a game changer for me. And I just really love how my hair is so moisturized, and it takes my deep conditioner, and like when I like put oils in my hair, it takes it to another level. And my hair is just so easy to comb through. I don't have to deal with these major tangles and stuff. It's just been a game changer. So you can kind of see the steam. You can see me underneath there. This this is basically the headband. It has a Velcro in the back, and it's basically so I don't sweat my hair, my head. You know, I'm not sweating, or you know, sweat's not coming on my head. So that's what that's for. And it came with the steamer, and so I will share with you when I'm done. So, but I wanted you to see this because I don't really see a lot of YouTube creators talking about steaming anymore, but it's great. And really what I really like about this steamer is that it also has a facial attachment too. So as soon as I'm done, I'll be back. Okay, the steamer has cut off, so I'm done. So as you can see, the lights went off. So to turn it officially off, I actually put those in. So I am done. So now I'll get from underneath there. And it's just, it's really interesting because it's like when it's cooler outside, I noticed that it doesn't drip as much. But if it's hot, it does drip. And I mean, it does make a lot of sense. It's more moisture in there when it's warmer. So now I will get my, you know, so now this is basically the steaming process of how I do it. So what I would do, I would take my hair down, and then I would get in the shower and I would use my Win. So I would use Win. I probably would use Win Honey Peach right now because I have that as a gallon. So I would use that to cleanse my hair and to cleanse and condition my hair. So that's kind of what I would do. And usually what I do is that I'll kind of show you what I do before I get into the shower. And since I actually used the As I Am coconut co-wash as my deep conditioner, I probably will not use use the Win before I get into the shower. I'll probably use it as my conditioner after I cleanse the coconut, after I actually rinse out the coconut co-wash. So and it has so much slip that I should be able to detangle with hardly no problem at all. So I will move on to detangling before I get into the shower.